Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for supporting my small YouTube channel. Even though I'm not, very active now in YouTube because I'm studying. So today's video is unboxing. I ordered it in Timo and I ordered some stuff that I need from the school. So let's do the unboxing. Okay, let's start the unboxing. I just opened it already and I just buy two socks. I need it for school because every time, I don't know, I need more socks. Yeah, I like this color and the other one, I don't know, this one is, let's see, what's the other color? Because it's cheaper online, so that's I buy because it's cheaper. I don't remember the price. Maybe it's 3 pounds, 3 pounds something. Yeah, 3 pounds because in the shop it's more than that. So I ordered pencil Suchara. I think this is only 3 pounds, 3 pounds only. I need it from the school. It's 5 piece, but I already get the other one. I put it in my bag. No, I did not put it in my bag because still 5 pieces here. Okay. Still have 5 pieces. Pencil. This is pencil. It's pencil. So I'm gonna put it on my bag and I ordered this one 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Because I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it for school. Organize baga. Organize. You put something here, maybe pencil or anything that I need to. So I buy 4 because we can also put makeup kit here. Yeah, for makeup. If you want to put something here, you want to be organized. If you want to travel, you can put your brush here or anything. So I just buy 4. It's because it's only 99 pence. It's only 78 pesos each convert to peso, and into dollar it is less than $1. I think maybe 75. What do you call cent? 75 cent dollars? I have no idea. And I have also phone case. Yeah, because in my phone it's my debit card. It's all on the side. My travel card, my bus pass. So I just try this one so that I can put my debit card here, my bus pass, my credit card. Anyway, I'm just using Apple Pay, so I think it's not necessary, but I have always on the go. My credit card is always attached to my phone. So I buy this one because I find it cute. So that's why I get it. I don't know. I don't know. This is not expensive. Maybe 5 pounds something. And the one that attracts me the most is the Apple Watch. So I buy also a ruler. Ruler. I also have a ruler, but I don't know why I buy this. So I bought this one also. And the one I really like is the Apple Watch strap. So I buy this one. The one with the evil eye. They say they will throw evil things. So I buy this one. And this is not so expensive. I think it's only 3 pounds. The one expensive is this one. And because I want to wear it. So that's why I do the unboxing na. This one. Look. So I'm using this one all the breaded, this one, the breaded Apple Watch. So gonna remove it and gonna try. So this is my second Apple Watch. The first one I gave it to my sister and I buy a new one. So let's try this one, the one with evil eye. Okay, let's put it. It's just sliding here. Oh, this breeded I think, oh look, I don't know, because sometimes I'm careless. Yeah, let's see. Too much, too flashy. I think it's pretty. Oh, not my type. I don't like it. Maybe this one is the more feminine and pretty. Let's try this one, the other one. Let's put it. Ito na lang nag-good morning sa akin sa umaga eh. Good morning, Elizabeth. May Apple Watch. Let's try. This is very pretty, but look. I don't know if someone, you know, grab it. I will lose my watch. Maybe I can wear this one not for work or not for anything else because it's not safe. It's not safe, I think, if someone grab it. But it's so cute. I like it. This one is expensive than the socks. than the socks. Than the socks, the one I buy. Ayan. So let's put this back kasi ito yung aking pangharabas. Pangharabas ko kasi ito. Balik natin. Pangharabas ko to kasi pag ano, sa work. Okay guys, balik na natin yung aking Apple Watch. Ayan, it's easy this one. Thank you guys for watching. Ay, ang haba ng video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all.